All right, we're back with another Money Origami Originals. Got the little award or prize ribbon. It's easy origami, so hope you enjoy this quick, easy little award ribbon. Anybody for any occasion? All right, let's get started. All right, I got the brand new bills. One number 663. Okay, so let's see. You just fold in half, but don't crease it all the way. Just crease the top and the bottom. Get you some good little reference marks right at the edge is all we're doing. All right. Now open it up, turn it over, and fold from that edge, the crease mark on the edge, to with this point over on the edge of the paper. So just like that. Now you only really have to crease the top part through the halfway part of the bill. You can crease the whole thing if you want. What the heck, don't matter that much. All right, so now the same thing on the other fold. Or you can use the edge of the paper on this crease as a guide, like that. Make sure you get a nice sharp point there. You can adjust it a little bit if you want. It's not that critical. Even if your angles are a little off, it'll still come out. So now do the same thing, flipping the bill over from the bottom side. All right. There we go. Now, fold in half on the back. Don't crease on George. I mean, if you did, it won't kill it, but you don't really need a crease there. So just right over to the point where the intersection of those angle folds is. Is as far as you need it. All right, so this should be pretty easy. Just avoid grabbing right there. All right, now open it up. Now fold the top and bottom edges into the center line. Now this crease goes all the way across. Make sure it's nice and straight looking. Looks pretty good, especially on the top there. All right, get the other one going in there. All right, hope everybody's getting plenty of distractions from all the craziness going on. All right, so the little creases should go right through. All three of them intersected on the same point there. So now what we do is just, I didn't even practice. Oh, hang on, let's make sure without wasting your time. Okay, so you just, where the creases are right here and right here, you just want to bring this over, bring that one over at the same time, and just pinch it together like that, see. So now let's get the other one kind of shaped like that. Oh yeah, I was going to show you something. Dual hexagons from the previous video right up there. And it moved a little bit on this crease when I was finalizing the fold underneath, but I fixed it back before I flattened it with the magnetic flattener, so it came out really nice. All right, back to the model because we just want to make a quick, easy video. So you got your two sides shaped. Now fold the sides back in. And now just bring that up again. And these creases that extend actually don't even get used at all. So then you just squish that in, and then that one lays down like that, see? And then you do the same thing on the other side, making sure these are tucked in. You can make this out of the 3x7" paper or 14 by 6 centimeters. And then you can decorate it however you want. So there's a little block prize ribbon. You can flatten it or use it as a bookmark because the page will slide right up there. And you can also make it into a bust of George instead. So this is the model, it's done, it's the ribbon. And then after you flatten it, it stays a little bit flatter. So if you fold from this point intersection with this point extending up to there, well, laying along this edge a little bit. And then you do the same thing on this one. Of course, you're making this flat on the bottom, so I got it a little tiny bit off, I suppose. So just like that. And then you open these up and flatten the crease like that. And do that on the other one. And then what you do is you lay it down like that. And you tuck that one under there. Well, actually, if the one on top, you do second. So the one that's underneath, you go over the edge of the ribbon. And you tuck it under there. And then you tuck this one under there. And now that's a bust of George. It's like his shoulders there. So I hope you enjoyed that one. I kind of like it like this quite a bit myself. And take care, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.